Welcome to the Pages section in Zoho Sites. This is where you manage and create pages for your website. Here, you'll see a list of all your pages with details like name, the page title, last modified, when the page was last updated, edited by, the user who made changes, status, whether the page is published or draft. On the right, you have quick actions, edit page info, update page settings like title and SEO, edit content, open the page editor to modify content, icons, preview or delete the page. To create a new page, click Add Page at the top. This opens the Add Page screen. Here, you'll enter the page name and page URL. You can set this page as the home page or add it to the default menu. Under SEO settings, you can add a page title, keywords, and a description to improve search visibility. Additional tabs like page details, header code, and footer code allow advanced customization. That's how you manage existing pages and create new ones in Zoho Sites. Keeping your pages organized and optimized ensures a better experience for your visitors.
Your idea deserves a clear path forward. Share your vision with us, and we'll create the next step workflow to help make it a reality. DM us or comment now. We will provide this in 1 hour.